At this time, we will learn about the presentation of a single data. Previously, we will introduce ourselves. I'm Melva Dermawati and my friends Regina Eka Lastriani Gultom, Christina Putri Setiani, Rado Maison Silalahi, and Francisca Putri Permatasari. We are college students of Mathematics Education Sanata Dharma University. So, happy learning and enjoy with us.
Single data presentation. Presentation of data is one of the activities in making research reports that have been carried out in order to be understood and analyzed in accordance with the desired objective. The data present must be simple and clear so that easy to read. Based on the presentation of the data is divided into two. 1. Single data presentation. A single data presentation is a data presentation that is present in full from observation or data collection. 2. Group data presentation. Group data presentation is the presentation of data that has been processed and present in the form of class interval. How to present data? Ways to represent data: 1. Textual method. 2. Tabular method. 3. Graphical method. Textual method. Data can be presented using paragraph or sentence. It involves enumerating important characteristics, emphasizing significant figures, and identifying important features of data. For example, 17 for a not well-maintained university building.
Tabular method. It is a systematic and logical arrangement of classified data in rows and columns. Single frequency distribution table is a way to arrange relatively little data. Example. Consider the following sample data. This is the data. State the data above in tabular form.
Solution. The data can be presented with the table as follows: value, torus, and frequency. If the value is 3, frequency is 1. If the value 4, frequency 7. Until the value 10, frequency is 1. Graphical method. A graphical representation is a visual display of data and statistical results. It is more often and effective than presenting data in tabular form. There are different types of graphical representation, and which is used depends on the nature of the data and the nature of the statistical result. Bar graph. A bar graph is a way of summarizing a set of categorical data. It displays the data using a number of rectangles of the same width, each of which represents a particular category. Bar graph can be displayed horizontally or vertically, and they are usually drawn with a gap between the bars. Consider the following data. State the data above in the bar graph. Solution. The data can be presented with the bar charts as follows. Horizontal axis is a value and vertical axis is a frequency. If the value 3, frequency is 1. If the value 4, frequency is 7. If the value 5, frequency is 6. Until if the value 10, frequency is 1.
Line graph. A line graph is particularly useful when we want to show the trend of variable over time. Time is displayed on the horizontal axis, it means x-axis, and the variable is displayed on the vertical axis. For example, is presented data HIV prevalence in South Africa in percent. Pie chart. A pie chart is used to display a set of categorical data. It is a circle which is divided into segments. Each segment represents a particular category. The area of each segment is proportional to the number of cases in that category. Data diagram in the form of circle that has been divided into juries according to the data. Parts of the whole data are expressed in percent of degree. For example, is presented data distribution of alcohol by site. A value 8% in gastric and duodenal ulcer. A value 30% is gastric ulcer. And then a value 62% is duodenal ulcer.
What is a stem and leaf plot? Stem and leaf plot is a table which sorts data according to a certain pattern. It involves splitting a number into two parts. In a two-digit number, the stem consists of the first digit and the leaf consists of the second digit. While in a three-digit number, the stem consists of the first two digits and the leaf consists of the last digit. In a one-digit number, the stem is 0. Consider the following sample data. State the data above in the form of a leaf-stem diagram. Solution. The data can be present with a stem and leaf plot as follows. And the last is diagram line box. The statistical data used to draw a line chart diagram is a series of 5 statistics, consisting of the extreme data. Consider the following data. State the data above in diagram line box. Solution. The data can be present with the diagram line box as follows. Data is sorted first. Determine the statistical elements of the 5 connectivity. Xmin, smallest value. Xmax, highest value. Q1, lower quartile value. Q2, middle or median quartile value. And Q3, top quartile value. Statistic of the 5 connectivity.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you can understand the material presented. See you later.